Look how beautiful our rose bush. It's actually my husband. He got a piece off of this rose bush from his mother, and it's doing really well here. It's really big. I can't back up to show you further, but just really pretty. And apparently he says it's quite old. There you go. Welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day or evening whenever you're watching this. And welcome back to another episode of what we're having for dinner tonight. What you're looking at are sausages, and these are very yummy sausages. We picked these up at the Giant Tiger, and I'm just going to put these sausages in this bowl, and I'm going to boil them up. And we also are going to be using this Kraft dinner, and it's probably not the healthiest meal that I'm going to be making, but it is really good. So I hope you'll stay tuned. So I also forgot, you're going to need a packet of this, and it doesn't need to be this brand, I don't think, but this is what we use. And we won't use all of it. We'll just use maybe half or a little less than half. And I don't know, as you can see, our sausages are boiling up here. And you're just going to make the Kraft dinner as usual, as you would make it. And this, I don't believe this is anything new. It's just, it's somewhat new to me. I've just been making it for the last month or so or whatever. My husband actually told me about it. So I'm just going to stir this all together. And I put a bit of the taco seasoning in there. Stir it up. Like I said, I just cooked it like they say on the box. Put some milk, and I put some margarine in there, and then the cheese sauce that it comes with, and then a little bit of the taco seasoning. So that's what you have for that. And then we're coming over here. I've done with the boiling of the sausage. Now I'm just going to brown them on the frying pan here. And I don't know what's going on with my frying pan. I'll be right back. So this is my favorite part, my darlings. I like to take it and just make them dance. Woo! It makes a mess. I'm the one that has to clean it up, so I don't know. Just to have some fun while you're cooking. Woohoo! And brown them up, and then I usually I won't use all these sausages. We'll each have like a 1 1/2, and well, you'll see it when I plate it all up. So there you have it. I actually cut up 3 sausages, so I still have 3 left we can have for leftovers, and this is what it looks like. I will plate it up so it looks a little bit nicer than this. And if you're a bigger family, like I'm just cooking for me and my husband, so cooking for 2, you can obviously use the whole thing of sausages if you wanted, and you could use, I don't know how many boxes of Kraft. We only use 1 box of Kraft dinner, so feel free to use more if you need to. So here we go, my darlings. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Mac and cheese with the sausage, KF Kraft dinner, like that. And I did up some garlic bread there for my hubby. I just put it on this plate. This is going to be my bowl, but I'm going to give the bread to him. So this is what we're having. It's a pretty easy meal, especially if you already have the sausages already cooked and everything. It would be very easy to do up this meal. But I was starting from scratch cooking the sausages, so it does take a little longer, but it's very easy and very delicious. So thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. So here's what we're going to have for dinner tonight. It's going to be kind of a leftover again. We're using up the sausages we had the night before. So these are the sausages. I'll just reheat them. And I'm going to use these potatoes, and I'll just wash them and peel them. And I've got some radishes left here, and I'm also going to cook up some of these baby carrots. And I've got some cauliflower here that I need to use up. And I will be back in a few minutes to show you the next step. It's going to be a really easy dinner. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Like I said, we're using up those sausages that we had from the night before, and this is what I put together. I hope you enjoy it. Good. Well, at least I hope it is. So there's cauliflower, there's potato, there's sausages that we used up, some radishes that I just washed and chopped up. They haven't been cooked, they're just kind of raw, but I think they'll still be good. And then I put a little bit of cheese sauce, which is just Cheese Whiz that I microwaved in the microwave to make like a little cheese sauce, and pour that over. And I did the carrots as well. There's carrots in there as well. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I hope this helps you out. You can, if you have a few things in your fridge, just cook them up and try it out and put it together, because you never know. Cooking should be a fun thing, not a stressful thing to do. So hopefully maybe you'll try something like this out, or maybe you already have. It's like I said, it's nothing new, but it's new to me. And let me know down below what you're having for dinner tonight. I'd love to hear. And remember, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo, my darlings. Thank you so much for your love and support and for watching. Till next time, happy eating. Yum! Toodaloo! Look at this beautiful sunset. Isn't that gorgeous? My camera won't probably do it fully justice, but oh, I wish you could. This is just, I don't know. I just love this kind of thing. So pretty. It goes all the way around. Not quite a cotton candy sky, because there's a lot of orange and yellow.